Here's a G chromatic scale. I'll play 2 octaves. Now what I'll start with is an open G, and since we deal with half steps when we have chromatics, we have an A flat, and then I'll use my first finger again and move it up to an A natural. And of course a half step is touching, so the second finger is a B flat. Then I'll move that up for a B natural. Then I'll put a C next to it, and then half steps, so fourth finger has to touch, that's D flat. Then we have open D, then we use the same pattern again. We have a E flat next to the nut, then I'm going to slide it up for an E natural. And then F natural is right next to it. Remember, chromatics are half steps. So then for the next one, I'm going to move the half step up to an F sharp. Then I'm going to put a G next to it. Then an A flat has to be next to it. So that's A flat, low 4 on the D string. Now we need open A, we need an A. Then we're going to have a B flat, which is next to the nut. Same pattern. I'm going to move the first finger up to a B natural. Then I'm going to play a low second for the C. And then I'm going to raise the C to a C sharp using the second finger. Then I'm going to play a third finger next to it, which is D. Then the next one's going to be next to it, because they're half steps, chromatics, and it's called E flat. Then I'm going to have an open E. Then I have an F natural, which is on the E string, it's near the nut. And then I'm going to raise that up to an F sharp. And then I'm going to put second finger close, make the half step, which is the last note, that's a G. So I'm going to start on an open G. Shifting, you lightly slide your finger over the very top of the string, and then you press down when you get to where you want to be.